Hey YouTube, it's been a while since I've posted a video, but I've been working hard, staying plenty busy. It's a bit windy, so I'll get in here to excuse the mess. I've been working hard lately, as you can probably tell, but I just did a couple days ago, I guess, I changed battery terminals, cleaned and tightened everything up, changed the oil filter, fuel filter, transmission pan and filter. It's about 25. We're gonna see how she starts today. A lot better than before. Got a new air filter on too. It was ready for a change. So there's my new transmission pan. It's a high capacity Derale transmission pan with cooling fins to help with the infamous E4OD cooling problem. Sensor set up. Might as well do a cold start of the Suburban while this one's sitting. Just see how she starts up. Don't know why I had my hood popped. Like I said, it's about 25 degrees out. See how the old 6.2 starts. Just a little bit of throttle. Run the glow plugs again. Kick in the high idle. Look at that oil pressure. Should have just left it. to start these things and then shut them off still cold. Can't exactly tell you why, but it's all for the sake of YouTube. Go over here one more time. See if I can. That's also something I don't do very often, but for the sake of YouTube, I figured I'd do it.